In today's video, we're going to be taking a deep look into a $104 billion market, and we're also going to analyze a dropshipping store that is in a segment of this niche that's totally crushing it right now. So this video is exactly for those of you that are trying to get business ideas. Maybe you're stuck trying to figure out where you should start when it comes to creating an online business, and hopefully after this video, you'll have a lot of inspiration on where to start. So what we're talking about is the toy niche. So the toy market actually is worth $104 billion. So even if you took 0.001% of that, that still adds up to millions. And yesterday I posted a YouTube short reviewing this genius ad that I found on TikTok that had gotten 21 million views in 24 hours organically. And what it is basically a toy gun that looks like an iPhone. It's a really great product, a great toy. Now, of course, some people are definitely concerned that this could be the beginning of maybe in the future people will make guns out of iPhones. So perhaps the toy gun market is not something that you may want to get into. However, there's still a lot that we can learn from this brand because 21 million views in 24 hours is no joke. And it's really because of how engaging the video is and also because of how unique the product is. But here's something that they're doing on the landing page that I think is really smart is they're adding these TikToks that they're making to the actual landing page. So as you see in the description of this video, they have a little bit of scarcity and then they have the videos of them actually using these products, which is obviously really interesting. Now they're clearly drop shipping this. As you see at the bottom, they're very transparent about it. They're mentioning how it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get the product. But again, since it's such a unique product, people are going to be willing to wait. Ironically, the toy gun market is pretty consistent and it's starting to do better closer to the holiday season. That makes a lot of sense, right? But I think if you're somebody that really loves experimenting with toys and stuff like that, this could be a really fun niche to get into because you could consistently order products from China that you think are unique and basically showcase them on camera through TikTok and then drive sales that way. There are a lot of brands doing that on TikTok right now, but as I showed you at the beginning, the demand for toys is extremely high and the market is huge. The total addressable market is $104 billion. The last bit of golden nuggets that I want to share with you is that this brand is reposting all of their TikToks on YouTube Shorts as well, which is super smart if you have an e-commerce business or if you're trying to grow your personal brand. Really, in any case, this is a smart idea. And if we take a look at their popular YouTube Shorts, some of these have up to 6 million views, 3 million views, and obviously these are all toy guns, so don't worry, they're not literally selling guns, but they do look very similar to guns. So this is definitely a problematic niche to be in. It's not going to be the easiest. People are probably not going to be reordering, and you probably will get a lot of your orders seized at customs, especially if you're shipping worldwide. But you can use this as a template to create your own toy store. And when it comes to finding products, I would definitely use this brand as an example in terms of finding products that you can make unique content with, eye-catching content with, that could easily go viral, especially on TikTok. Now, real quick, if you have an idea for a Shopify store, make sure that you use the link in the description to start it ASAP. Shopify is running this deal where you can literally sign up for $1 a month, and I'm pretty sure it's only going to last for this month. So check that out real quick. It's a great way for you to get a great deal, and it's a great way to support the channel for free. The more signups that we get, the better my relationship with Shopify is. And my dream would be to get the Shopify CEO, Toby Lutke, for an interview on the channel. And this is a really good way to be able to do that. So check that out real quick. But that's about it for this video, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.